Welcome back, and this is an unboxing. This is another pair of Alfred Sargents, most likely the last pair I will ever get. And this is in something that was early on in my collection strategy. Today I have the Veldschoen Capto casual shoe. I have the Moor, which is a beautiful Adelaide, and I have a Capto Oxford in suede called the I want to call it a herring, but it's not a herring, but I'll remember the name eventually. But what I picked up is a pair of long wing brogues. Now, long wing brogues are very important to me. I just finished a stint doing wingtip madness, which I guess is not finished because I still have these to wear. And this is, made for treaders by Alfred Sargent. And look at that. It is a gorgeous example. This light brown, I have to see how it photographs outside, but this light brown example. The leather is extremely soft. The construction is just, look at that construction on the upper. It's very nice. This is not like my other English long wings either. There's no seam here. They do use a separate piece for the vamp, which is not surprising, but it is what it is. And it looks like there's a seam on one side, but not the other, which is interesting. I don't know why. But it's a very interesting, the lining on this is very soft. Actually, I could feel a little space there, but not really. I think it was just a casualty of me looking at it while I'm talking, which is always hard. But here's the other. Again, this light brown, just a very beautiful, classic look to it. I'm very excited about these. I've always wanted a pair of Alfred Sargent brogues. I know some people say that they look like they're government issue, but I disagree. Personally, I think they're absolute classics. So you let me know what you think, and thanks for watching this very quick unboxing video.